Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado this generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find where the power steering fuse is located, it's extremely hidden. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. Where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So where you can guys expect to find the fuse for the power steering? We'll demonstrate on this generation Chevy Silverado right here. Now guys, if you have one of those, okay, you have many hidden fuse boxes. Most people do not know about them. We'll talk about that. But if you have that generation Chevy Silverado, please check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location Chevy Silverado. It will explain everything. What you guys need to do, open the hood. Once you open the hood guys, okay, the main engine fuse box is on the driver's side. Under that cover, open it and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 through 16 model, and layout like that for 2017 through 19 model. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So for power steering, one fuse will need to be checked guys. Please make sure it's the until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Now if you look at that, the main fuse for the power steering is not in that fuse box. Even if you have a 2017 through 19, still not there. Where it is guys then? Okay, let's explain now. What you guys need to do, open the hood but come on the passenger side. You see behind the coolant tank you have your car battery. Next to, on top of it, you have guys one integrated fuse box that most people don't know about that, and it's part of the positive battery terminal right there. And if you look from the top view, okay, that's what the fuse box looks like. And here we have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. Now there is very limited information about that, but most likely it's fuse 1, 2, 3, 4. Most likely it's this one. But check all of them. Okay, it's one of these 3 fuses, but most likely this one right here is the one that you will need to check guys for your power steering. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.